Alright, so about 9 months ago, right, I made a video called Starting a YouTube Channel for Smart People. I was at around 3,000 subscribers when I made that video. In that video, I basically focused on, the mindset of starting a YouTube channel and what small things I had learned at that point. I'm gonna put that video in its entirety in this one because the things I said in that video are still relevant and still stands, but I also want some watch time so I can get even more money. But yeah, if you don't want to hear what I said in that video, skip to this timestamp. Anyways, a couple of people have hit me up on Instagram and Twitter asking me how am I growing my channel so fast? How do I start a YouTube and get an audience? How do I do this? How do I navigate this? I will tell you this now, I cannot in any way, shape, or form give you any technical tips on how you do this. There's a whole lot of other channels on YouTube that will help you with that part. But I will tell you what I did and how I approached making my YouTube channel. Step one. Do not in any circumstance assume that your channel is going to blow up the way mine did. When I first started my channel, I uploaded a video called Don't Drink Kombucha. It stayed at like 13 views for a month. And then I decided to make the second video and I uploaded this TikTok right after I finished recording it. Just recorded this, 3 minutes long. That's gonna take me 3 hours to edit for 3 views on YouTube. Of course I blurred my face. I don't want y'all to see me yet. But yeah, I had no hope in any way, shape, or form of my channel blowing up. I just happened to make a video that people like somehow. And to be honest with you, I think that shit was a fluke. But in the process of making those videos, I made sure that I liked what I was talking about. Like I was having fun. Which leads me to step 2. You should be able to enjoy your own content. If you can't sit and watch your videos and be like, yeah, I like this. I'd love this. Then there is no reason you should be making that content. Don't make a YouTube channel just for the money, bro. You're going to hate it because you're gonna be doing shit you don't like. I forgot how that saying goes exactly, but if you work a job you love, you'll never work a day in your life. And I take that to heart. I like the videos I make. I like talking about this stuff. I can proudly say that I'm the #1 subscriber of this channel because I love watching my own videos, boy. I be laughing my ass off. And from all the comments I've gotten, that is the main reason people subscribe to my channel, because I am unapologetically me in these videos. I'm just doing me, man. So yeah, don't just make content for your audience, make content for yourself and you're gonna enjoy what you do. And the last thing I have to say is, it's gonna be the hardest thing for anybody to do. I struggle with this, but stop focusing on the numbers. I remember watching Super Eye Patch Wolf's video on how it was hitting 1 million subscribers and what he felt. And in that video, he talked about how hard it is to not look at the numbers and how your channel's doing. At that time, I was like, man, what? Nah, it can't be that harmful. While it hasn't hit me that hard yet, I catch myself all the time checking my social blade to see how I'm doing, or comparing my new video to my most popular video. But like I said, it's gonna be hard to not compare since I'm growing. I'm a growing channel. I want to see how my new videos are doing and how well people are enjoying my content. All right, if you skip to the timestamp, that's fine. If you watched it all the way, that's also fine. These are the points I'm going to talk about in the video. You can either watch the whole video through or pick the points you feel is more relevant to you in the timestamps. But one thing I'm always going to reiterate to anybody who wants to start a YouTube channel, and it's that you have to enjoy what you make, bruh. Like, bruh, I said this in the last video, but I be laughing my ass off at my own video. If you can't sit down and enjoy or binge watch your videos, bro, then the content you're making is not for you, bruh. Whether it's gaming, commentary, animation, whatever it is that you decide to do on YouTube, enjoy what you make. Make sure you actually enjoy your content. Enjoy your art. Because if you enjoy something, then other people are going to enjoy it. Like, bruh, I see people in the comments of my JJK Jumpings video be like, oh my god, I keep coming back to watch this. And in my head, I'm like, what? Me too! Like, shit, I come back to watch my videos all the time. The next point I want to get into is consistency. This is something that a lot of people in the world, not just YouTubers or content creators, have to work on. A lot of people come to my channel to watch my content because niggas like Degenerosity and CJ the Champ, they like post every month, and in between their posts, they find my content to enjoy. And one thing that is very important as a small YouTuber or like a starting YouTuber is to stay consistent. If you can make a schedule that you can stick to, then that's great. A lot of you are starting YouTube very young, at a really young age, weirdly enough. So I know you guys have school, but if you truly want to do YouTube and succeed, even though you have school, you have to make time. Take the weekends to do your video. Like, bro, I have work and a bunch of other responsibilities, but I always try and make time to record a video. I insert it in my schedule. Staying consistent is a great way to actually grow your channel, because people are gonna see that you upload consistently and will just flock to your channel. Oh, so your content gotta be good too, because if it's not good, nobody's gonna watch it, bro. Now, one thing I'm gonna get into, it's a very technical thing. It's something that me, when I first started my channel, didn't realize I should have started doing. And I know a lot of other YouTubers can say the same thing, and it's longer video. I can easily say with certainty now that the longer the video, the better. For a long ass time, most of my videos were like 3 minutes long, and the average watch time for my channel was like 1 minute. And at the time I didn't realize it, but that was killing my channel. The first video I uploaded on this channel was like 4 minutes long. The second video was 3 minutes. But then I pushed myself, right? And made my third video 6 minutes long. And this video is what initially blew my channel up to 3,000 subscribers. And even then, I didn't realize that the watch time was something that affected how well my videos did, or my whole channel together. So I just kept on uploading like 3-minute long videos. I thought that was very long. But to YouTube, that wasn't nothing. People weren't staying around to watch your channels or your videos, so they weren't going to recommend it to anyone. It's only recently that I realized that the longer your videos and the longer your watch time is for, like, on average, chances are it is more likely to be, recommended to other people by YouTube. Now, what I tell any YouTuber who's trying to do YouTube is to at least make your videos 5 minutes long. Now, I'm about to tell y'all a tip on how to easily achieve that. One way is bullet points. If you can get a topic and get at least 6 interesting bullet points about it, right? And elaborate on each of those bullet points for like a minute to 2 minutes, you're easily gonna have a 5 to 8 minute long video without even doing too much. The next point I'm gonna be talking about is research. I know that word probably scares a lot of you that are in school, but if you actually want to do YouTube for fun and enjoy what you're doing, you have to research something. If you have a video that did very well compared to, to your other videos, take a look at that video and try to understand what got it to do so good, and just apply it to all your new videos. Now, the top 2 channels of my videos, or JJK jumpings and the reverse jumping video. What I learned from those videos is 1, longer videos do great, 2, anime videos do great, and 3, people love seeing niggas get jumped. So yeah, bro, try to learn from your content. And I would even say, look at other channels that are in your niche or genre and look at their popular videos and try to understand what they're doing, that could also translate to your channel. Now, I'm not saying to go copy them. Now, the next point I'm gonna get into is gonna be a very short point. And it is that you should always strive to improve. If you look at my first video compared to my most recent video, there's a difference in editing, and people noticed that in the comments. A couple people were telling me, wow, hey bro, your editing has improved, which is something I've recently been putting effort into trying to do. When people see that you're actually trying and improving, they're gonna recommend your channel to other people. So yeah, share the video. Whether it's making your videos longer or improving your editing, whatever small thing you feel like you can improve on, strive for that. You'll be much more happier in the end when you realize that you've improved, even for the small aspect. Like, take advantage of the small wins that you get in life, bruh. Celebrate them. Now, the final point I'm going to get into is something that's been happening recently to me. And it's hate comments. A couple of you wanted me to put these on, Mount Hate more, or just make a video on hate comments altogether, but I would just add it in this video. A couple of supporters on my comments are always telling me, dang, JP, you getting haters now. You finally made it. And hey, I guess that's true. I got haters now. That means I've made it on YouTube. But yeah, people will literally not watch the full video or even get halfway through it and make a comment. Like, bro, the amount of comments I've gotten saying, oh my god, you're just copying CJ the Champ. Ew, you're trying to be like Willow. Oh my god, this nigga's just copying the generosity. Ew. Because those people has either only seen my JJK Jumpings video or my reverse Jumpings video and just assume I'm copying other anime YouTubers. Little do they know, I talk about everything. And one thing that I've actually started working on recently, because these comments just started recently because I'm blowing up, and it's that to just ignore them. Those comments are 1 in a dozen. That video has 816 comments, and out of those 800 comments, maybe 5 are people telling me that I'm trying to copy CJ the Champ. But what's wild is those comments are the one that ring the loudest. And learning to ignore those comments is something that I do plan on working on moving forward. I have a whole lot more to learn about, you know, starting a YouTube channel and maintaining it. And who knows, maybe like 2 years from now, I'm gonna update this video on new things I've learned about YouTube and how to, you know, grow a channel. But to summarize everything I've said, you should 1, enjoy your content, 2, upload consistently, 3, make longer videos, 4, do research, 5, always try to improve, and 3,
is this nigga serious?
Ignore the haters, man. I really hope I was able to help somebody with their channel, even if I didn't get into any technical things that might, you know, push your channel. If anybody has any other tips, put them in the comments so that, you know, you might end up helping somebody else succeed on this YouTube shit. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.